Welcome to the Marble Run video activity. In this activity, you'll be looking at mass, acceleration, and force. If you have not completed the pre-lab questions, pause the video and do that now. When you're ready, start the video again. Part 1 will be creating your hypothesis, but before we can do that, you need to look at the materials that we'll be using and the process of what's going to happen in the activity. The materials are obviously a marble. We have a ruler. I have a 300 centimeter tape measure and pool noodles that have been cut horizontally in half to create a track. I've taped them together to get it as straight as possible. The activity is going to be releasing marbles at different heights to see how far they travel and how fast they get there. So, pause the video, complete part 1 on your lab report, and when you're ready, start the video again. Part 2 is a lot of data collecting. So first, we need to start with our marble and determine the mass. Here you see an empty container, and there is the grams, how much the container weighs. And now I'm going to add the marble to it, and we'll get the total grams of the container and the marble. You'll record this on your data sheet under part 2 and then calculate the grams of the marble. You can pause the video, and when you're ready, start it again. There is a lot of data to be collected, so feel free to pause the video at any time so that you can record it on your data sheet. Here's our first height, and it is at 5 centimeters tall. And here we go with our first marble run at 5 centimeters in height. The distance is 36 centimeters, and it took 2.79 seconds. The next marble run is 10 centimeters in height. (112 centimeters it traveled in 3.23 seconds. The third marble run, 15 centimeters in height. The distance traveled, 179 centimeters in 3.78 seconds. The next marble run, 20 centimeters in height. And it traveled 233 centimeters in 3.90 seconds. And the last marble run was from a height of 25 centimeters. At a distance of 299 centimeters at 4.71 seconds. If you need to go back and review anything, you can do that now. If not, it's time to finish your lab report. Good luck.